In this video, we're going to be looking at some 2018 fashionistas that I finally tracked down. They were actually pretty hard to find. I think I only found one of them in a store. The rest I had to get online. And this is part 2 in my 3-part series, taking a look at various releases in 2018 from Barbie. And stay tuned for the end of this video when I announce my August YouTube giveaway prize. So in this video, we are going to unbox what I've heard is the lightest and darkest skin tone Barbie dolls ever released. And that is number 90 and number 91. And then we have number 87, who's got some gorgeous green streaks in her hair and a real rock and roll vibe. Number 93, who has some amazing hair volume. And I got this one, number 100. I liked her outfits, her hairstyle, and her freckles. On the back of the box, you can see some of the other 28 Fashionista releases, and I really want to find this lady with the unicorn Pegasus top. I'm really excited to take a closer look at these ladies. So let's get them out of their packaging. Now here they all are out of the box. I tried to do a little research online to figure out what they're called. In the past, they were always given names or nicknames as well as numbers to identify them. But I couldn't find anything on the Barbie website. So the names I'm referencing I found from what they are labeled as on Amazon and Walmart.com. So first we are going to look at number 91, and she's referred to online as both Jersey Play Skirt and Varsity Platitude. She is labeled as having white hair, but I would call it a really pale blonde. She has the fairest skin tone I've ever seen, and she has freckles. I love it when they have freckles. Blue eyes. She's an original body type. She has a little white watch, this plaid skirt, and this jersey with the letter B on it, I assume for Barbie. And she's wearing these white heels with little pom-poms on them. I really love her face mold. I love her freckles. I love her hair. It's a really soft texture. Just a big fro. And really came out of the package in pretty good shape. I just kind of puffed it up in the back a little bit. All these dolls are actually original body type, and they all have the basic points of articulation at the neck, shoulder, and hips. Next we have number 90, who is labeled online as both Rainbow Bright and Rainbow Sparkle. I love her little shirt dress in this rainbow shimmery fabric. She has these lovely silver loop earrings. Her hair is super soft, silky, and long. And of course, as I mentioned before, she has the darkest skin tone in a Barbie I've ever seen, and she has on white sneakers. Next we have number 93, who is labeled both Purple Lace Romper and Living Lace. So don't know what you're supposed to call her, but she is number 93. And she is wearing this little lace dress, and she has on these little pink heels. She has a different face mold from either of the two dolls we just looked at, but her hair is the same texture as Varsity Platitude, but obviously hers is a pretty shade of brown, and she has some sunglasses. She also has this little mark on her face in the corner of her eye. You can see that right there. That just looks like an eyelash gone awry, basically. And next we have number 87. Amazon refers to her as Rockstar Glam, but the Walmart website just calls her Ombre. She doesn't really have ombre hair though. It is kind of a light brunette with streaks of green. I would say highlights of green. She's wearing a t-shirt dress that seems to be advertising a rock and roll world tour. She has some silver sunglasses. And she's wearing these little black boots. And then finally we have this fashionista, who I couldn't even find on the Mattel website, but I did find her online, I think it was on Amazon, referred to as Daisy Love. I think she has like hazily eyes. She's got freckles. I love her red hair. It's a different texture than Varsity Platitude or Living Lace, but it's still kind of an afro shape. She's got on dark sunglasses, this little yellow necklace, and this really cute dress, which has a daisy pattern on the skirt and a pink underlayer. And she's wearing these little silver flats. Let's take a look at her in her second outfit. So here she is in her second outfit, which came with this little orange handbag. She is wearing high-waisted yellow shorts. I love the cut of the hem here. And then this flower print top, again, daisies. While a lot of recent fashion packs seem to be made to fit a lot of different Barbie body types, I would say these shorts are really made for an original or maybe a tall. I don't know how they'd look on a petite, but they definitely won't fit a curvy. But it's a really cute outfit. What do you think of these new 2018 Fashionistas? Now it's time for my August YouTube giveaway announcement. I am giving away one Fashionista, this lady number 90, to one lucky winner. All you have to do to enter is click on the link below in the description and enter the information required in the form and comment below. You have to do both to be entered. You can read the rules and everything in the description below as well. There's a link to the full rules, which are always featured on my website. And as usual, when I do announce the winner, it will be posted on my website and I email the winner directly. You can also keep an eye out for part 3 of this 2018 Barbie series, in which I will be looking at some fashion packs and announcing my August Instagram giveaway.